Hi, my name is Sun, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find out how your tags are being fired, as well as find out what data they're sending. For this video we're going to be using Google Chrome, as well as an extension called Ghostery. You can find this in the extension marketplace for Chrome, and when you install it, you'll see this little icon here. Clicking on it will tell you what tags are being fired on the web page you're currently on. We'll get back to this in a second. Once you're on the web page you want to inspect, right-click, select Inspect Element, and select the Network tab. Reload the web page. This allows Chrome to capture all the files being fired on the web page. If you're not familiar with Telium or Google Analytics, you may not be sure which file belongs to which tag vendor. This is where Ghostery comes in handy. When you click on it, again it tells us that it found Google Analytics and Telium on this page. If you click on the arrow next to either one of these, it actually tells you what URLs are associated with which tags. Now, we know that all the Google tags begin with this domain, and all the file names are typically utag dot. You can see them down here. So utag.js is here, and it's requested by the index file, which is the page we're currently on. utag.1.js is requested by utag.js, and so forth. Click on Ghostery again. For Google Analytics, we know that they both come from a domain called Google Analytics, and Google requests two files, analytics.js as well as collect. If this was longer, it might be difficult to find either one of these, so we can click on the filter button here and type in analytics. And you can see here it brings us to the two results that have it in its name. These are both the files requested by Google Analytics. If we click on either one of these, it tells us more about the file. Now, if we want to see what data points are actually being sent, we need to look for a group of data points called query string parameters. The first file requested by Google doesn't actually have this grouping, so we go on to the next one. You can see here that there is a grouping called query string parameters, and this is all the data that's being sent to Google. It tells us that this is a page view. This is the location we're currently at. This is the title of the web page. It sends all this other data as well. This is a good place to start when trying to find out what data is being sent and if it's what you expect. This method doesn't work for all tags, but it works for a lot of them, and it's a good place to start.